Hey up everyone, how's it going? Today is a special day because we're going to look at some funny, weird Ring doorbell camera footage. Now this video is going to prove to you that everybody needs a Ring doorbell because you get lunatics approaching your house and sometimes you just get hilarious, funny events that take place which you never would have known about. Let's get into it. Christmas party guest steps away for some privacy and gets busted. Why, what's he doing? Oh my god! Oh my god, he's been holding that fart in for hours. Oh. Still going. I'm impressed by that fart. I'm not even remotely mad about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-second fart. Get a couple of seconds at the end as well, just for good measure. Gotta respect him, at least it went outside. Did it? Ouch. Oh, we know this is gonna be good. Kids are effing stupid. Oh no. What's going on? Oh no, rape. Me too. He's me tooing her. He's me tooing her! Oh my god! She's me tooing him! Oh my god! Can't trust women. I've told you. Even when they're in child form. Oh, that's funny. Guy spits on Ring doorbell. This sounds really disrespectful and pointless. Here we go. He's sticking something on the door. And he's gonna... Oh! What a dirty man. Why did he do that? Why did he do that? Weird, weird people. Oh, we've got some instant regret, lol. Yeah, we got volume, boys. What? What? What is going on? I don't get it. That needs to be a machine gun though, doesn't it? Like on Breaking Bad. The mailman's just trying to deliver some mail. No, machine gun. Can someone please explain to me what this is? It was picked up on my Ring doorbell camera around 2:30 AM. That, my friend, is that guy's fart from earlier on. Travelling down the road. Debunked. Debunked. I've debunked it. Yeah, that's definitely that 6-second fart. Or maybe it's the last 2 seconds of it. I don't know. It's definitely that man's fart, though. Cased. Solved. HMC, well, I'll become a real cow this Halloween. I don't even know what HMC means. Am I new? What does that mean? Gonna fall. Gonna deck it. Oh, no. I thought you were gonna deck it.
Let's go.
Mummy, too much!
I know, it's okay. Come on.
What is going on? It's free. Why are you stealing something that's free? Bad mum. Also, terrible outfit.
Come on.
Screams for help or just some stupid teenagers. Police have already been contacted, and yes, this is Nest, but their subreddit won't lie. I don't care. Is it a camera attached to your door? That's all I care about. So they are in the car. That's creepy. I think they said help me, help me. Help me, please. Oh my god. Oh wait, this person says they said happy Halloween, bitch. Oh my god, she does say happy Halloween, bitch. That is so weird because I thought she was saying help me. But as soon as that person said they said happy Halloween, bitch, I heard it clear as day. Delicious cup of tea, by the way. FedEx guy salutes my car on his way out. It's a nice car. Very nice car. That is cute, mate. That is... That is so cute. That is cute. Weird, but pretty cute. The look of defeat.
I love you, Dad.
I love you too.
Not the most of Mommy.
Alright, thank you for that.
Alright, thank you for that. This is why you should never have kids.
I love you, Dad.
I love you too.
Not the most of Mommy.
Men don't get any appreciation from anyone. I hate children, and I'll never have them. Caught an intruder last night. Camera quality. Ah! Ah! Ooh! No! No! Oh, it's badass. Oh, it's badass. I never used to be scared of spiders, but I hate them now. Ants tried to steal my mail. Oh my god. Obviously this is sped up, but it's still hilarious though. This might be wind. Oh no, it's not wind because the trees aren't, the leaves aren't going. It's legitimate ants. Little buggers. To end the night with a kiss goodnight. Oh my god. This could be Simpville right here. Awkward. It already looks awkward. Oh god, he's cornering her. Oh god, oh no. He's putting, oh no. No, it's so awkward. Oh, he got the hug. See you later, mate. Oh, the old gonna brush your hair behind your ear technique. Mate, you've been watching too many films. Girls don't like that, especially if a creep like you. He looks like a creep, what a freak. I, for one, am glad he didn't get a kiss. But we got forecast was for freezing rain. Well, you know this is gonna be good. And he basically has a vertical driveway by the looks of things. Flip-flops everywhere. What an idiot. That's your own house. Oh, he's at his lower back. Oh, he's winded. Oh, I'm winded. Ah. Oh my god. Oh, wait, what did she say? Did she say, why that's such a woman thing to do? Why did you do that?
Are you okay? Why? Don't do that.
You ain't fucking doing it on purpose.
What did you say? Don't do that. He said, I didn't do it on purpose, woman. Why are women so annoying? It obviously didn't mean to fall down, break his back, lose both of his sliders. Jesus. Oh god. I know this one. I've actually seen this one already. It involves a bird and a bird's bottom and a man's head. Oh my god, mate!
Get the tissue. The fuck happened to you? First you shattered me.
That's not real. Is that real? That's not set up. Oh my god! I did not expect him to be British as well. I don't know why I'm shocked by that. Because you know what was happening? What is going on with this piece of hair right there? Why is that one piece of hair just really straight? Can you not see I've got curly hair? Do what you're meant to be doing, hair. Porch cam. Hey, stop you asshole. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Look at this guy. Look at this. Stop, you asshole. Oh, it's like, oh no. Boom. The hell's he driving like that for? That's why you ended up there in the first place, mate. Stop speeding. Oh, here we go. Here's how my $300 tablet got delivered Friday. I've got a feeling this is how my camera got delivered. We'll see if that's true, though, because I haven't seen this video, obviously. There we go, yeah. To be absolutely fair, I'd do that to someone's iPad, because they're a rip-off. And you deserve to have it thrown in your face. Not even decorations are safe. I swear most of these videos are around... Oh wait, I was about to say Halloween. Is that Halloween? Are they Halloween decorations? They're like... Yeah, they are. Oh my god, she's not going to steal them. Come on, lady. Come on, lady. Could get some serious money for these on eBay. You hadn't even looked to see if there's a camera. These are like... Is this the first time she stole something? Pointless. Some people are just pointless, aren't they? Service with a smile. This might be wholesome. Let's get a wholesome UPS driver instead of someone just literally throwing an iPad at the door. Hey! Ha ha ha! Yes, yes. You can pretend you enjoy your job, but I can see the shadow behind that smile, sir. How my buddy's Amazon package was delivered. UPS versus Amazon. Oh my god! What's she dancing? What? Volley. Absolute volleyed at the door, then does a dance. Crazy woman. Should be fired. Walking glowing figure on lake caught on camera. I'm gonna sip my cup of tea while I'm watching this. Oh, nothing's happening. Oh. Oh. That is pretty weird. That's like across a lake as well. Oh my god, yeah, it is. Does look like a figure. It's pretty spooky, I've got to admit. It's a light being. I'm into light beings. Caught on doorbell. Dogs drag woman through yard. Oh my god. No, don't hit him. He's protecting you.
No.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. A dog tries to do its job and it gets chastised for it. Right, that's enough. That's enough Ring doorbell footage. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed it, leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe. If you really liked it that much, you can even subscribe to my channel, but I'll leave that up to you. I'll see you soon. Have a good week. I love you all. Be happy. And I can't do positive. Just be happy. You're alive, aren't you?